This is a brief overview of the Philips Hue LED overhead light. It can be controlled with the Philips Hue hub with Alexa or the Google Assistant, with the app or voice commands. This review will be using the Google Assistant, and I actually have this light installed in a kitchen. So this light is actually hardwired into the ceiling. One problem that people have had is actually with the silver ring that goes around the light. It tends to be warped a little so that the glass diffuser doesn't fit into it properly. We actually had to hit ours with a hammer lightly to form it back into shape. So this will be a short demonstration of how the voice command will work with the Google Assistant. Okay, Google, turn on the kitchen light.
Okay, turning the kitchen light on.
So as you can see, that was pretty quick. You just tell Google to do it, and they actually, the light comes on pretty quick and instantly. One thing I have noticed with this light is if you're using the light with the wall switch, there is about maybe a half-second delay from when you turn the wall switch on to when the light actually comes on, but it's nothing too terrible. You can actually control the brightness level also with the Google Assistant. So right now it's at 25%, and I'm going to tell Google to do it to 100% brightness. Okay, Google, change the kitchen light to 100%.
You got it. Setting the kitchen light brightness to 100%.
So we actually have about 7 different Hue lights in our home. We have 2 lights that feature the ambiance setting, where you can actually change the warmness and different colors of the lights. With this light in particular, you can change it anywhere between a more blue hue to a more yellow hue. Right now it's on concentrate, and we find that that is the best setting for a kitchen. And you can also tell Google to turn all the lights on and off. You would just say, okay, Google, turn everything off.
You got it. Turning 7 lights off.
So as you can see, that would turn off your whole house all at once. You can also tell it to turn all the lights on at once as well. So this is another Philips Hue light that I have. It is the Ambiance Wellness Lamp. It comes with the Ambiance light bulb as well as this lamp. One criticism that I have is these Ambiance light bulbs actually work in any lamp that you have. Since this does cost, at the time I'm making this video, $100 and the light bulb is $25, you're literally paying $75 for this small table lamp. So that's my one criticism. Other than that, it works extremely well. Now that I have the lamp on, I'm just going to show you the different colors that it has. You can change it to a very yellow light. Or you can change it to a very blue light. Or back and forth. And you can also have it somewhere in the middle. And all of that is controlled through the Philips Hue app. Here's what it looks like with the shade off. The shade is just a standard white frosted cover. And this appears to be some sort of wood. So now this is just a brief overview of the Philips Hue app. When you first open it up, you see all of your lights where you can control them on and off. You can add multiple light bulbs into a group, such as I have 4 light bulbs in my living room group. To turn it on, you just hit the button. And you can see that the living room lights up and it is now on. You can then turn individual lights on and off. And you can also change their brightness level with that white sliding bar. That would be at 50% brightness. And when you see ambiance next to the light bulb, that means that you can actually change its hue to blue to yellow. The app has preset recipes. Right now it's on concentrate, which is in more of the middle white tones. Relax is a very yellow tone. That's more dim. From this screen, you can actually choose what you would like it to be. The bottom would be blue and the top would be yellow. From this menu, you can also set different sorts of timers. Setup was really easy. You basically just connect the Hue bridge to your router, make sure your Wi-Fi is working, and then you would need to set up all of your different light groups, give them names in the Hue app, and also in the Google Assistant app as well. You have to set them up and name them twice. Overall, I would definitely recommend the Philips Hue system. It gives you a lot of great convenience with control via the app or voice command. Okay, Google, turn off the living room lights.
Okay, turning off 4 lights.
As you can see, it's really easy, really convenient, easy to set up, very intuitive. Works great with the Google Assistant. I have not tried it with Alexa, but I'm sure it would work fine with that as well. One thing, if you're using the Google Assistant on your phone rather than the Google Home, your phone has to be unlocked. So I would recommend having both the Google Home, and you can also use it on your Pixel as well. Other than that, I think
Here are the
it's
top search results.
a really great product. Thank you.